Hey guys, what's up? Lindsay Nova here. Super excited to bring this tutorial to you today. So if you love all things aerial yoga, please go ahead and hit the bell down below and subscribe to my channel. All right, so we're going to be working on an inversion today. We are going to do the butterfly. So let's get started. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the placement of the hammock. So I'm going to turn around and we'll stand right underneath of the center line. I'm going to grab the thumbs are wrapped around, so it's like you have little mitten hands. And you're going to push the hammock down to your hips, so just below your lower back, and the hands are right beside your hips. Stand on your tippy toes to push it down. Begin to lean yourself back, and then you'll straddle the legs open. So the hammock sometimes has a tendency to slide up. You want it to catch right in this lower back area. And now the hammock is right in the front of my hip creases, and I can straddle the legs open, bend the knees, and then hook the feet onto the hammock. And now I can release my hands down to the ground to stop myself from swinging and find this beautiful, nice inversion here. And then when you're ready to come up, you just bring your hands onto the hammock, straddle the legs open, bring the feet down as the head comes all the way up. So now I'll just talk about a few things that commonly go wrong when people are first learning how to do this butterfly inversion. So one is they don't push the fabric far enough down. So if you don't push the fabric far enough down, it's really hard to get the legs up. And the same can happen, so even if they push the hammock down to the back and then they start to go back here, they're gonna end up, and it's not really in like the sweet spot, right? It's not gonna feel super comfortable. Now the second one is if you come here and then people are not bending the legs. So you have to be able to bend the legs in order to hook the feet on. So sometimes people end up getting stuck way out here. But the other common thing that people do is they try to bring the legs through the center and then wrap like this, which is actually dangerous because you could just completely fall out if your legs go right through into the center. So it's really important that the knees go wide, and right there you're just already completely just caught into the fabric. Now there's another thing that can go wrong is if the fabric is too low. So sometimes people will push it all the way down to here, right? And it's way too low, and they may actually fall out. So this is also a really dangerous position to be in. So it's important that the fabric sweet spot right here in the lower back. I like to call it the little butt shelf because it's just really right in between your lower back and your butt. So there you have it, you guys. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today.